Model 3 on the side of the road there, it ran out of charge. Uh-oh, look. Whoa! Perfect. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yes, we are in the Tesla. I am on a run. I've been driving it most of the late afternoon into the evening. You can see it's 9:48. We're at 86% on the charge. And I'm now hitting the highway and rolling back from Nellis Air Force Base. God, I hate that. Anyways, just giving you some of my thoughts and whatnot after having this thing for a little over a week. I want to talk about my experience with it. My first 24 hours with it, I really wasn't happy. I'm not gonna lie, man. Like the getting it, and I guess because it was so hot, trying to get it to the house, you know, having to stop at the supercharger, waiting in line, which I get it. You can kind of work around that, and the map will tell you where it's not busy. But by the time you get to a location where it's not busy, driving wise, I mean, look. Oh, I can't put it in auto drive mode because I don't have my seatbelt on. Right, there we go. Now we're on the we're on the Mario Kart Rainbow Highway here with the Tesla, and we're just rolling. Now the auto drive feature is dope as hell. I'm not gonna lie. Like being able to just occasionally touch the wheel, or like I do, you can literally just hang something on the wheel. Not a pro tip, by the way. And the car will just drive itself. And it's not like my BMW that uses a camera to see the lines and stuff. Because sometimes if you lose the lines in the road, your car can make a hard right out of nowhere. This I haven't seen do that at all. This one keeps track of everything that's in front of it. As you see right there, there's the Mustang. That's right there. Pedestrians, look, it even sees the arrows in the road, everything. It's kind of dope, I'm not gonna lie. The self-driving ability of this vehicle, totally, that's the thing, you know what I'm saying? You give me this in a BMW with an inline-6 B58 and I'm sold. Now here's the crazy thing. This Tesla Model 3, especially for what I paid for it, I stole this car. Comparable cars, I've been looking at numbers and stuff on them, anywhere from like 28 to 34. So I did really, really good on this car buying it from the dealer. That is a problem though. You see that Tesla Model 3 on the side of the road there? It ran out of charge. Uh-oh, look. Whoa! Now that was the auto drive literally freaking out and not knowing where to go. Hell. That's the first time it's done that to me. You guys got to see that in real, oh my God. Whoa. Okay, that was weird. And then it said going off-road or something. Clearly there's something going on with the sensors here. We'll have to investigate that. Hell no. Hell no. My faith in the ability for it to drive itself is literally out the window. Just off of that little mess up when it was going by that exit. Hell no. I'm gonna keep my hand on the wheel. I get it. Hell no. So here's what I can say about the Tesla Model 3 after having it a week. It is a little clean. You'll notice a couple of things. We pulled that little dent out of there just by doing some basic PDR. You'll also notice that I'm still working on this. I'm still working to get this out. I'm gonna need to literally like just bang this in. And I'm trying to figure out a method on how I'm gonna do that. I might need to go borrow a rubber mallet or something. We'll bang this in. This little dent down here, I might try some glue and pull it out and we'll see. But overall, like I said, after a week, it hasn't been bad. That self-driving error did just scare the crap out of me. I'm not gonna lie. That was concerning. Outside of that, this thing has been flawless. I mean, what can you say about it? It's been absolutely, positively flawless. Now, I'm probably going to have a full video on repairing the dent on the other side. And if I decide to repair the wheels, I'll probably do that too. But overall, outside of like some of the body fitment issues, which is well documented with Tesla, like this stuff not lining up and stuff, like I said, no real issues. I drive the crap out of this thing, and for the most part, it's pretty simple. Getting used to putting the key card and stuff down was a little pain in the ass, but you can pick that up after the first couple of days. The instant acceleration is addicting, not gonna lie. But, you know, the Petty Roosevelt is going to be just fine, and I'm going to enjoy it. And I will forget all about this super fast electric acceleration, unless I end up buying that car from Swamp Boy's garage. So more on that later. But yeah, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But this is it, and so far, no complaints. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. Obviously, we're gonna have lots more Tesla content. I'm trying to sell this car actively because I'm actively going to try to buy a car from another YouTuber with a salvage title. Yeah. Long story. Stay tuned. Whoopee!